The cross-section of the ground surface at station 1 plus 100 of the road survey shows that the ground sloping at 10% grade downward to the right. The elevation of the ground along the center line of the proposed road at this station is 150 meter, and that of the finished subgrade is 152. Width of subgrade is 7 meters with set slope of 1.5 square. Compute the distance of the right slope stake from the center of the road. Compute the distance of the left slope stake from the center of the road. Then compute the difference in elevation of right slope stake and left slope stake. There is a problem at station 10 plus, 1 plus 100. So, saan naka-profile? Top section. 10 no? 1 plus 200. And then, the original profile niya is 10% downward to the right. Downward to the right. 10% down. Kasi mo yung grade, 10% ni. Grade sa yuta. Karon, the elevation of the ground along the center line of the proposed station is 150. Center line of the proposed, o kani, kasi natin center line ni. Ganda na lang na itong point A. Hindi siya elevation na 150 meters. Kaya na itong pilan, elevation. And then, there's a problem. At on the finished subgrade is 152. So, the saka of 2 meters lang. That means, nag-fill na siya. Nag-fill na siya na yun. At ang blue mo na original na yun, nag-fill of 2 meters internet. So, ang elevation ng kapital, ito sa point A ni, point B sa ni, elevation na niya is 152 meters. And then, of course, there is slope. Wala yung ipakita, number 1, slope pa rin. And same slope for the speakers. Tapos sa slope, pero stable. Pili mo, ikaya niya ito. One is to, wala ka naman ng pila, pila is slope. One ang horizontal vertical, slope, horizontal. Ganun. So, required number 1, required distance at the right slope stage. Only right, do not center, along, area point. And this is the distance. Kasi x ang distance, then right, it's ano lang. Number 2, distance of the left slope stage. XL na din. And number 3, difference in elevation. Pwede na yung difference in elevation. Pwede na yung kani or kung hindi rin po mag-refer, example ni siya may manipad. Kung hindi po mag-refer, may manipulation o H. So, this is H. HL. Height length, then Record. H. Right, okay. H. Right. Yan, na-refer na. So, 150 itong addition. Minus, ano yung HL? Or, ang difference division niya, HR minus HL. Kung siya yung number 3. HR minus HL. Kasi siguro ito na sa HR. Ito A, number 1. Para sa solve si number 1, gamit lang namin na kaya naman ni automatic base. So, ako namin ang gano'n eh. Automatic na yun siya base. Then, katungaan na sa center, B over 2. It means, what na eh? So, this is B over 2. And this is also, kanina distance, wala may triangle, so consider na may kanina triangle. Ano eh? Muna sa simple line. Ano eh? So, para namin extract. And this is XR. And this is HR minus 152 minus 150. 2 meters difference ang nila. Denominator slope, 10%. So that is just analytic geometry, that is rise over the slope. That is 10%. Rise is 2 meters. Ano? HR minus 2. HR minus 2 rin. HR minus 2. And this is XR. But XR is equal to rin XR sa ang kanina distance. So, extract ko nila triangle, kani. Tapos ko nila yan. At then, kanina level. Dali na lang. So, HR ni. And this is, nakash na siya is slope ng 1 is to S. And, kanina natin panita. Kasi, X na sa. So, may ratio and proportion that is X over HR equals to S over 1. So, X therefore is just S times HR. So, ano may slope kami? Na ano? This is 1.5. And this is also, and that is 1.5. And this is 1.5 na HR. So, S sub R, XR is B over 2. And given ang B yan eh, 7, that means 3.5 eh. So, 3.5 plus 1.5 of HR. So, HR na lang known. HR na. 12 na. This is in meters. Pero dili niya mag-ipangita kay X sub R. So, X sub R is balik namin 3.5 plus 1.5 of HR. Pila X sub R? Pila to? Pila ni? 2.76, then 3.5 plus 1.5 times 2.76, 7 point. Ngayon naka 3.5, biyog siya na biyog na to. Plus, 1 peso, ato yun na to, 1.5 of HL na dad. Kung mga slope times length, kaya po sa tubig yun na, slope times distance. Vertical. Automatic na, this is still 10% na slope. So 10%, right over run, 2 minus HL over 3.5 plus 1.5 of HL. So HL is 1.40, 1.43 meters. And therefore, X sub L is 3.5 plus 1.5 of 1.43. 5.65 meters. And now the letter B, and letter C, automatically minus 2.76 minus 1 point, and that is equal to 1.33 meters. Okay.